Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a fascinating journey to explore some of the weirdest cultural traditions around the world. From jaw-dropping rituals to quirky customs, these traditions showcase the diversity and creativity of human culture. Stick around because you won't believe what people do in different parts of the globe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing videos. Every culture has its own unique traditions, but some can be truly surprising or even downright bizarre to outsiders. These traditions often have deep historical or spiritual roots, reflecting the beliefs and values of the communities that practice them. Let's dive into 10 of the world's most unusual cultural traditions that will leave you both curious and amazed. In Spain, there's a tradition that might make your jaw drop: the baby jumping festival, or El Colacho. Taking place in the village of Castrillo de Murcia, this tradition involves men dressed as devils jumping over rows of babies lying on mattresses. It's believed to cleanse the babies of original sin and protect them from evil spirits. Strange as it may seem, this tradition has been practiced since the 1600s and draws spectators from around the world. In Indonesia's Toraja region, people celebrate a tradition called Meneni, or the cleansing of the corpses. Families exhume their deceased relatives, clean and dress their bodies, and sometimes even parade them around the village. This practice honors ancestors and reinforces familial ties. While it may seem macabre to outsiders, for the Toraja people, it's a deeply respectful and spiritual act. In Papua, Indonesia, the Dani tribe observes a ritual that's both shocking and emotional. When a loved one passes away, women from the tribe cut off a segment of their finger to symbolize their grief. The practice, though now less common, reflects the Dani's belief in expressing sorrow through physical sacrifice. It's a vivid reminder of how differently grief is understood across cultures. The Hindu festival of Thaipusam, celebrated in Malaysia, India, and other countries, is known for its extreme acts of devotion. Devotees pierce their bodies with skewers and hooks as they carry offerings to the temple. The ritual is seen as a way to show gratitude and seek blessings from Lord Murugan. For many, it's also a test of mental and physical endurance, leaving spectators in awe. Ever heard of a buffet for monkeys? In Lopburi, Thailand, the Monkey Buffet Festival is held annually to honor the town's primate population. Over 4,000 kilograms of fruits and vegetables are laid out for the monkeys to feast on. This quirky tradition is believed to bring good luck and celebrates the bond between humans and animals. In parts of China, fire-walking ceremonies are performed to ward off evil spirits and bring prosperity. Participants walk barefoot across burning embers, relying on focus and belief to avoid injury. This tradition, practiced during festivals and rituals, highlights the power of faith and mind over matter. Over in England, the annual Cheese Rolling Festival is as hilarious as it is bizarre. Held in Gloucestershire, participants chase a wheel of cheese down a steep hill, often tumbling head over heels in the process. While it might sound silly, this tradition dates back hundreds of years and attracts thrill seekers from around the world. During Christmas and New Year celebrations in Wales, locals practice a spooky yet fascinating tradition called the Mari Lwyd. A horse's skull, mounted on a pole and draped in a white sheet, is carried from house to house. Accompanied by singing and rhyming challenges, the tradition is meant to bring good fortune for the coming year. Closing scene: a montage of the traditions with people smiling, celebrating, and showcasing the beauty of their unique customs. Calm music plays in the background. These weird cultural traditions might seem unusual, but they reflect the incredible diversity of human creativity and belief. Each tradition carries meaning and purpose for the communities that practice them, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of global culture. Which tradition surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who love learning about the world. See you in the next video!